Now everybody go to breakfast.
Shae,
You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, friends and family. As you can see, I'm on my daily walk. I have not missed a day yet. I have been very consistent with this. I mean, this is day 4 or 5 of me walking. It's now almost 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been getting up earlier because of my daughter and because when I walk with her, it's a little bit too hot. So I just decided I'll get up earlier before she wakes up. Again, if you're watching this video, another disclaimer. Yes, my skin looks horrible. I am having a reaction all over, from my face to my arms to my legs, everywhere. So yes, please excuse my face. It's breaking out. It's doing everything. But anyways, yeah, so just on my walk, thought I'd open up the vlog with talking to y'all because I'm going to try to make this like a productive vlog. I know I have to go grocery shopping. I want to start meal prepping and start back eating and portion control and just making sure I add vegetables into my meal. I want to cut out the fried foods, but I'm not going to completely cut it out, if you know what I'm saying. I'm trying not to drink sodas again, so that's something that I won't be doing. And yeah, I kind of want to work out today, but I don't know. It's a up in the air thing. But I feel like I'm talking so loud in this neighborhood, y'all. So once again, I will see y'all when I get back to the crib. Oh wow. I did not realize they have a whole park and basketball court in my neighborhood. Love that. Definitely have to bring the kids here. They're gonna be so happy. Look at that, a whole basketball court. Okay, y'all, so it's been a change of plans. I probably will not be meal prepping today or grocery shopping, and I'm trying to turn to this side because this is the better side. Like this side is more, like, I know y'all can see that. Like, this is what I mean by my face is doing its own thing. And not just, like I said, not just my face. My whole body is having, I keep saying it, but it's just because I don't want nobody that's missed it and be like, ooh, her face look bad, her skin look bad. Yes, I'm having like an allergic reaction again. Anyway, so things have changed and I'm annoyed, but I'll be okay because I have to practice what I preach. So God is good, God is able. And I was going to say forget working out and everything today. Wasn't even going to record no more for today, but I'm going to suck it up, get out here and sweat and work out. And yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. It's a lot going on today. Let me just sit down. It's so annoying.
Back in coming, my store show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier matching nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Dead glow, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Dead glow, keep running circles around these snail, hoe. Dead glow, and my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low, where you been at? Mine, everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitch.
Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know. You got desires. Look at that fire. And I'm not a liar. You hand me down.
Alright, so I'm gonna get ready to take this ginger super shot. I'm trying to stay on task, y'all. Plans have got changed and it has really messed me up, but I'm not gonna allow that to completely throw my whole day and ruin all my plans. So here we go. Cheers to making lemonade. bless you. Ooh, baby. She ain't playing with nobody. She is not playing with you right here. Ooh. All right, now it's time for me to clean up, y'all. Hey, so like I said, today's gonna be one of those days. So as I'm washing dishes, my daughter's crying, and look at this, you guys. Like, look at it. Like, oh my God. Like, today is just one of those days. It just really is. It really is. It's another day, as you can see. And instead of going on my walk today, I figured I would come back here and clean up my back porch because it's a mess. And I just wanted to sit out here and read and stuff like that. So, I know, real boring. That's what I'm finna do. So, let's go.
She a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out the parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell talk. Dead glow, slapping rap beaches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier matching nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around the snail, ho. And my shit blowing up in the jail, ho. Get up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitch.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, they really had to talk beside. I'm an
So y'all see where this chair is at, right? So I just want to know, do anybody else argue or not argue, but have a disagreement about when your spouse brings something home for the house that you did not, you know, agree on, or like just bring it home and hey, it's going. This big. Y'all see this big ass Shae? He want to go. Look at him right now. Want to go in our room. Mind you, our room is a decent size, but it ain't that damn big for this to be taking up space. And he wanted right beside his side of the bed by the door when you first walk in. I can't wait to show y'all what it looked like because I know it's gonna look stupid. Still in the garage where it will remain and belong. Because this was not, I repeat, it was not coming in the house. It's nice and comfy though. But it's gonna stay out here. Y'all, my face just looks so freaking bad. I just want to talk like this. Like, I wish I had a mask right now to cover up my face. I might even put a filter on here, y'all, just so y'all can't even fully see it. Or I won't even use this footage. Because it's horrible. I just need my skin back. Not doing nothing. Like, I don't know about everybody else's kids. I'm pretty sure it's everybody else's kids. Because my kids be up literally, like, it's no joke, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning is when they go to sleep. It's ridiculous. And they sleep now. And then when they get up late in the afternoon, now they want to go do something. It don't work like that. I'm not gonna start my day with y'all at 4 o'clock in the afternoon just because y'all just not done getting ready and doing this. That's them. That's how they want to spend their summer. That's how they gonna spend their summer, honey. Because I like to be up early now. Is making Kool-Aid, is that considered ghetto? Like, do anybody do this anymore? Like, I haven't done it in a long time. Like, we just started doing it since we moved out here because we're far from the store and because it's just so many kids, easier. It's more, you know, cost effective. But, you know, am I the only person? I feel like I'm the only person, at least on YouTube, or do everybody still make Kool-Aid? Yeah. What, did you tell them that? Oh. Well, at least now they know. So I'm getting ready to take the kids to the pool, and yes, I have on makeup, and it's hot as hell. And oh, Jesus, let's see. Look at my face, y'all. Even the makeup is not hiding the ugliness of it. It's got to be the chocolate. It's got to be the chocolate. I don't even want to go nowhere because of how my face looks. And yeah, I'm showing it to the world. But I know I ain't going to really get no feedback, so I ain't worried about it. Girl, don't want to see nobody that she know up close and personal because the face is not giving. It's not giving. It's just, but I'm finna take them to the pool, y'all. I'm just trying to make this vlog a little bit more lengthier, to be honest. So nothing more than that. You know, it is what it is. It ain't what it ain't. And if you love it, I love you. And if you don't, make sure you still leave a comment and tell me how much you hate it, okay? All right. Thank you.
Dad forgot my food.
You forgot what?
Dad forgot my food. He
Oh.
left at his old house. In the thing. Outside.
When? I meant like I'll see like one of these birthdays, not that birthday. What you doing, girl? Yeah. He using the floaty today. I see you. No hands. I see you. Look at your face. K. What's the reason for the obsession with saying Dookie? What is the reason? Look at my face. Gosh.
No! Alright. Oh, shit. Hey, you're in my way. Move. How do you sit on me? You can't. All you just gotta sit on the thing.